Hello and welcome to a voiceover. We decided to republish this video, not only because of quite a few omissions, but also to avoid any heated discussions in the comment section. Although thinking about that now, heated comments are very good for the algorithm. Hey, whose idea was this new edit? Anyway, looking at the results, we can clearly see that D, or full CVT mode, is the most efficient. This may shock or displease certain people, but that's how CVTs work. They perform best at constant RPMs. The second run in S mode is pretty much identical. I wouldn't read much into the difference in 0 to 100, 0 to 60 or the quarter mile time. They're basically identical, although the run in S mode has a lower quarter mile speed. Lastly, we get to the M or manual mode, which exists for two reasons. One, to give drivers a bit more control over the engine RPMs, so you can pre-select one of the simulated gears before an overtake, or a steep hill, or any other situation where you want better response. The second and possibly more important reason is that the simulated gear ratios allow a CVT to sound like a normal automatic, the ones that we've become used to, and much prefer over the constant screaming of a traditional CVT. But even though we did all three runs in the same conditions, the last one in S mode with virtual gear changes is clearly the slowest of the bunch. Yeah, there could have been heat soak, or we can't actually think of anything else. It was the last run with arguably the least amount of fuel, and it sounded the best. It also achieved the highest top speed, but you've probably realized by now that this Honda Amaze has a speed limiter or electronic governor around the 140 km/h mark, or about 150 on the speedometer. And the difference in top speed between the three runs is completely irrelevant, because no car or electronic control module will be able to restrict its speed by the exact same amount every time. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and now on to the brake test.